Folks, it's just 2 words. Blackberry Vinaigrette. Oh yeah. But you can't make it unless you get Big Dog Sauce Company's Blackberry Sauce and Celeste Oliver's Koroneiki Ultra Premium Extra Virgin Olive Oil. These New Hampshire businesses are doing amazing things, and I hope you'll take a moment to visit their websites. For the Blackberry Sauce and more, head on over to Big Dog Sauce Company at bigdogsauce.com. And if you're into olive oils and vinegars like I am, head on over to Celeste Oliver at celesteoliver.com. These folks are amazing people to talk with, and they will be more than happy to help you out. And of course, for the recipe, head over to kcknh.com. Find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. We're all here to better serve you. Now, vinaigrettes are the easiest thing you can make. You just need a few simple ingredients that everyone can find. And of course, because it's so easy to make, you don't need fancy schmancy tools. So your mixing bowl, a sturdy whisk, and some measuring spoons. Bring all of your ingredients together except for the Dijon. The reason being is I want everything to mix well, because we are working with some finely minced ingredients that you'll see here shortly. And it's very imperative that you stick to the recipe as far as the type of vinegar. The white wine vinegar is a balancing act with the blackberry sauce. Now, this is not a traditional vinaigrette ratio. The Koroneiki is a beautiful, full-bodied olive oil, and you definitely want to make sure that you don't kill it with a lot of olive oil. So that's why you'll see with the measurements, they're very minimal. Now, your ginger and garlic, I just keep a supply of it. It's 1-to-1, and I mince the hell out of it because I use it all the time. And it works perfect in this dressing. Kosher salt and black pepper, you're in charge, folks. It's up to your palate. Just start with a couple pinches, mix it, and go from there. Now, because we have those minced ingredients, we want to make sure they marry well, and that's why we're doing the mixing now. And you can see everything coming together. The color on this is just beautiful. Now, because it's a vinaigrette, the one thing we need to do is to create an emulsification. That's where Dijon comes in. A lot of vinaigrettes are typically using a Dijon, a table mustard. Some folks have used egg whites. I've seen that done. But ultimately, you don't need a whole lot, but it gives a little bit of flavor to this. In fact, it's beautiful. I happen to enjoy all the flavors that come together with this. And as you can see, a vinaigrette, when it's emulsifying, you can see how well it's coating the side of the bowl there, which is why you see me shifting it. I want to see just how well it married, and this did beautiful. Take a spoon, just check the viscosity, and of course you have to taste test, folks, because hey, you might need a little bit more black pepper, you might need a little more kosher salt. But all in all, this is a fast make of a vinaigrette. You could do this in a pinch. Now, I used this for a garden variety caprese the other day. Look at all the beautiful tomatoes, the basil leaves, the thyme. This dressing is so delicious, I don't even miss balsamic. So please come on down, take a look at the recipe, try out the ingredients, and let me know if you need help.